What's up? So, day 4 na natin. Punta kami ng Ano yun, mami? Aqua Planet masasabi ko. Ocean Park pala. So, susunduin kami sa Kowloon Hotel. Pre-book na rin tong tour namin kasi para mas mura. Time check, magsi-7 na ng umaga. 9 AM kami susundin dun sa Kowloon Hotel. So, magta-trend muna kami. Let's go! Kung nagpe-prepare pa yun. Let's go, let's go! Hi there, Rolly Baho.
Nakakahaba pa dito ng buhok. Oo, saksak ko yan. Kasi sumakit yung paa ko.
And like a got here, and then it makes me like that.
It's so warmer. Try to tuck it in.
I don't like my...
Ito na nga ano dyan. Okay, dyan eh.
Ready?
Nati?
Ready? Ay,
Kowloon? Ay, ano? Ano
Oh.
line?
nakalimutan ko na. Mamaya na.
Park.
Check mo na. Hi!
Simula na naman ng mahahabang lakaran to. Payat ko na. Sobrang payat ko na. Mag na 9 AM na. 9 AM yung sundo namin dun. So, mamadali na kami. Mahahaba talaga ang lakaran sa railway system nila.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in, baby.
Okay.
Here na.
Take the each.
Dito na kami sa Ocean Park. So, sundan lang daw namin yung sa tour guide namin. 10 AM nag-open ng Ocean Park. Sobrang lamig. Lamig dito. Oh my God. You cannot drive.
No,
Come here.
you can.
Here, check. Ah! You should be 145 to drive. Oh, you're 140, you can.
Okay, 1, 2.
I mean, feeling ko dapat natin siyang sabihan na bagalan niya. Ha?
Panda lang to, panda lang.
Sobrang bilis yung tour guide namin. Hirap mag-catch up, pinihingal na ako. Kanina pa na video.
Welcome.
Morning. Yeah, that's a real one.
No, that's a fake one.
A real one.
Always still. They have a fake one, they stay still.
Good morning.
No, it's an alligator. No. It's the fake one. They stay still.
Sabi ako lamig.
Buti pa nga eh.
Diba dati that alligator here?
Ano? Real siya, mami.
Hindi.
Mami, yung nakalutang, nakita mo?
Red panda.
Yeah. So meron din palang panda na ganyan ng kulay.
It's a red panda.
Red panda? They say it's a red panda?
No, come on.
Oh.
Red panda.
There's more
So,
here.
meron din palang red panda na ganun ng kulay. Pero hindi siya nagpakita ng mukha. Kamot lang ng kamot ng puwet. Oh yeah. Ganyan ang poop ng panda.
I don't mind these. They're
Red panda na poop. Apple spears. Ano eh? That's their favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, there, Beber.
That's a salamander.
Yosa.
That's a giant salamander.
Alam mo, mami mukha siyang stone lang. Oh. Kuya, don't shake the glass. Yeah.
Ang laki niya.
Oh.
Open the door. I want to see it slide. Oh, I think it's in there. Oh, that's right there.
Wala, doon na siya. Kakain na siya doon. Ay. So, pag gusto mo mag-donate, tap mo lang yung octopus card mo dyan. Claire! Quiet, Beber. Look siya, so we can
Roller coaster.
move on our own pace. Kasi tapos na yung sa tour guide, so we're on our own na para mag-ikot. Ani! The otter. Asan siya?
It went underwater. Another one.
Oh yeah, the otter.
Ang galing naglalaro siya. Dati meron talaga siya yung walnut. Walnut oil.
They all taken the view.
Ayan siya kuya. Ayan siya.
Oh yeah, the otter's there. Oh! 是一个人踩。
One otter experience. You haven't seen the big ones. Guys, fish ay maliliit. Claire, don't tap the aquarium.
Asian common.
Riparian habitat. This one, Kuya. Oh.
Where is it?
ID.
Oh, from here. Oh, start from here. Oh, turtle!
Watch it. Turtle versus.
What's here?
Oh, they're all.
There's a spiny frog. Where? Where's the frog? Yeah, I saw it na. Yeah, of course. Maybe it's hungry. 3 frog. Oh, this one ano kuya? Like freshwater lizard. Oh.
Why this mirror?
Hey, tignan mo gano'ng kalaki. Oh, yun oh. What it says? Okay, good. Ay, dulas. sarap ng hangin dito. Ang lamig-lamig.
Hello.
Kuya, suot mo yung hoodie mo. Malamig.
Kuya, Daddy, can you try that na? Can you go to the other side?
Halika na.
Tapos later, Hong Kong Express. Hong Kong Express. Ocean Express.
Try natin yung ganun. Cable car.
Yeah.
Cable car station.
Picture mo kami ng data.
Video to.
Bear, bear.
Haba ng pila. Sobrang haba. Oh. Hanggang dun. Finally. Yan oh. Magsasara yan. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Remove your mask.
Hold on.
Claire, Galen.
Blair, tabi kay Kuya.
Dada, you can
Picture.
also close it.
Don't close it. How will you see it? Ayan na. Lembong.
Fast one.
Ayan na. Fast mode. Woo! Happy Lembong.
Yeah.
Berat. Happy. You see that stairs? Yan oh. Ang taas!
Taas, bebe.
Why is it shaking? Ayun kalawang. Oh, Caleb, look at there! Mami, yan oh. Doon, skyline. Taas!
Daming ibon.
What do you do? This one on the
Scary! Bakit siya nagsishake pag dumadaan sa ganun? Ikot lang yata talaga siya, mami. Babalik siya. Ay, ang ganda dyan!
Let's go there, Papa.
Disappointed!
Let's tell them if they need all the it's just like other rides, it's better than that.
Tayo magstay eh. Tapusin lang muna natin dito.
And then go there.
Pabalik na tayo ng Hong Kong. Kasi doon na exit eh.
Let's go
Tapusin
there.
natin lahat dito, tapos pabalik Hong Kong, Ocean Express na tayo. Kasi hindi ko nababalikan to. Ayoko na dito. Syempre both sides yan natin.
I like that.
Galit!
Ow! 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 No!
Laka!
I think you'll have to stay with Claire.
Natin na try natin to. Kasi alam na nila, naiintindihan nila. Kasi mag-baby pa din sila parang diba? Kaya, they will see on pictures.
So, Mami, roller coaster. Look at
Alam
that
na
side.
nila.
Ano? It's gonna go circle.
Mas maaalala na nila.
Wala! I cannot
Let's
pala!
go.
We'll just wait for you, Caleb.
Okay.
No!
Yes.
Not allowed.
No.
You're not 12 naman.
Let's ask them.
Huh?
Mommy, I wanna go. Go with me, Papa.
No, you can.
Me, I'll go. It's just gonna be boring.
No.
So this is the only reason, Mommy. You better raise your hand if you don't like to go to the
ano na nga eh. The
Swirly.
swing na nga eh.
Swing galleon.
Yeah, the crazy
Roller coaster first. It's only 15 minutes. Wait, you don't want it to be longer.
I cannot.
Muntik pa kami. Buti sinabi na iwan yung bag. Dito kami sa taas. Sobrang gandang experience.
Here, Mommy, huh?
Medyo matatakotin lang tong isa.
Mommy, oh, that's kind of chips. Daddy, we're gonna eat and we're gonna clean na. You can't roller coaster.
Bye! Mami, number 2 ako.
Which one's yours?
Daddy, I'm gonna check if this seat.
May cash ka din. Just in case.
I check the seat.
Ay, dito sa side ka. May table siya?
Here.
Snack na lang. Gutom na talaga kami. Mami, tingnan mo. Nag-spray pa ng tubig. Tapos may namamaril pa sa'yo sa taas. Basa ka talaga dyan.
But Mommy,
Ito, walang entrance sa Mami.
yung parrot.
Ilang matatry natin dito.
Kaya pilahan natin yung magaganda. See your face. See blockers. Oh! Sayang. Natanggal yung GoPro. Sayang. Sulit din. Yung 1 hour na hintayan. So, dito naman tayo sa South Pole Spectacular. Smells fish, Mami. Smells like fish. It is, of course. Clear. Sobrang ginaw. Amoy fish. Wow! Caleb! Claire Bear!
Mom, guys, Mama.
Oh!
I wanna swim like that.
Ayun na siya, ayun na kuya! Ayun na! Oh, they're jumping! Ooh! They're all playing. Ooh! Oh, see? First time namin nakakita ng penguin. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito sa loob. Because that's the required weather for the penguin, kuya. So it's so cold. Wala siya. Ayun yung sa akyat ka. Pakakainin mo siya yata.
Yeah, it's still upstairs.
Okay.
Welcome.
Don't smell anything. Because I have sipon.
Ang galing. Gawa siya ng trailer. Sliding. Oh,
He bounces.
it's just sliding.
I want to be out there taking photos. Oh, there.
Where's the walrus? Diyan sa taas. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Can you? Alis dyan. I'll help you.
I cannot see.
Oh, there.
I can't see.
Come on. He's hiding.
I'm heavy.
Come here, Bevan.
I'm heavy. I'm gonna use my shoes to climb. Where's he?
Wala pa. He's hiding, Mami. Wala siya.
Let's check others. Hold on here. Walrus. It's right there. It's so big.
Oh, yeah.
My walrus is there. It's big.
Mami, ang laki niya.
See it. There. It's, oh, he's just looking at us like that.
First time namin nakita si Lion tsaka ng walrus. Dati sa TV lang yun eh.
See that?
Hindi mapakali si Caleb. Gusto niya raw talagang matry ito. So, papatry natin sa kanya. Kaya mo, hindi naman siya sinita. Pasok siya, Mami. Tinry niya talaga. Eh, hindi siya pwede kasi maliit to. Ah, hindi daw pinayagan si Kuya. Ano sabi? Ay, sad boy.
Everything I was excited about.
Oh, let's just check the crazy galleon.
Dolphin. Wala pa. Hindi pa inaano ng trainer yung mga dolphin. Laki ng barko na yan, oh. Mami. Tanker, oh. Sobrang hazy, no? Ang dagat nila. Pero kasi malamig. Mga pagod na. Kaya pa? Kaya mo pa? Shark attack. Sarado, walang gumagalaw. Sino nag-aaway-aaway? Oh, bebe.
Oh, hi, shark.
That. Oh, I think they're friends.
I think.
May ano, kuya, look at the teeth. Doon, oh. There, oh.
Yeah, sorry. Mommy, I want to check the roller coaster I saw.
So, ganyan kalaki ang shark.
I don't want to let you see.
So, paano pag ganyan yung umatake sa'yo sa ano? Tapos ka na. Nice experience. Galing. Ang lalaki ng mga shark. Pwedeng kilawin. Lahat na lang pwedeng ulamin. Gra-rides yung dalawang bata. Eh, hindi namin kaya yung ride, so silang dalawa na lang. Pinapasok si Claire. Caleb, Claire! Pinagbigyan.
Pwede yung seatbelt ka.
Can't raise his hand. Hingan. Bakit kasi? From dun sa baba.
Yeah, do you guys want to see the sea lion? This way. Free Friday.
Magan.
Lion show?
Dolphin is sea lion.
Oh, si Lion show.
Yeah, show.
Wanna see?
Meron daw si lion shows. Let's see. Umalis na kami dun sa dolphin exploration kasi medyo hindi kasi namin sila maintindihan din, tapos inantok kami. So diretso na kami ng jellyfish. Happy? There, cover your mouth. Yung maganda naman ito.
Scary Bamba.
Ayun.
They're like aliens.
Mami, ikaw mamaknong ka, pinahirapan ako.
Tapos na ito mamaya.
Andyan. What's that, kuya? Can you see it? Oh my god. Are these poisonous?
One of the sea jellyfish never dies.
Parang bulak lang eh. Maganda niya tignan pero pagdadali ka siguro ng ganun yari. Oh yeah. It's mesmerizing. Ay, kasi ito, bebe, oh. Mami. This is nose pango again. Let's check your nose nga. Maybe it got the bingi again. Ang ganda dun. Kita mo yung mga iba't ibang ano ng jellyfish. Ang ganda-ganda nila tignan, tsaka parang nakaka-relax lang. Pwede pala pampatulog eh, no? Mami, may ganun ka aquarium ng jellyfish, tapos pampatulog. Picture tayo dyan, Mami, dun sa side dun, oh. Dun. Takot na sa cable car. So mag-express train kami. Oh yeah.
Smell it now.
No!
That's a big one. I'm gonna light it in your face. Daddy, there
Claire!
Don't come back.
Last na to. Beber, the exit of Grand Aquarium is that gift shop. Excited bumili ng toy. Hindi tayo mag-picture dito. Ano naman tayo kasunod eh.
Ocean 10.9 kilometer.
What's in there? Lobster.
Are you sure that's lobster?
I think so.
It is. Can I check?
I hear you talking to work, to the bars in the gym.
Pufferfish.
Talking at the bar till I walk in.
Oh, masakit na likod.
Why won't you talk to me?
Ang lalaki.
Can't miss your tongue talking about what I
Oh, that's what they're eating, the shells. Look.
say what you will. My heart is stored. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me?
Ano yung pangkan?
Can't get your tongue
What? Sakit na likod.
about what I need. Think of the silent times. That ain't
No
what
back.
I like.
So big.
I need a
Bakit
man
laki?
who knows how to speak.
Dalawa sila. Ayun yung isa pa. oh.
Para silang ano. Ano yun, Daddy? Starfish yun?
That's a
Oh my God, ano to, Daddy? Parang bulaklak.
Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies going on and on and on. Those fish here more than me.
Anong fish to?
Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Mami, di ba ito yung lapu-lapu?
Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I
Di ba
like.
yung lapu-lapu?
I need a man who knows how to speak.
That one. Kuya, check the big one.
Think you're the silent type.
There.
That ain't what I like.
the mail?
Yeah, that's just
keep me
It's
up to me.
Oh my God, Mom, we're scared. What's that, bro? Look at this teeth.
Oh, ang laki!
Steve's so small.
Won't you talk to me?
Parang niya tayong tinitig. Ay, ito ba? Oh, spider crab pala. Oh, mami, ito yung pinaka ano. Ay, ang laki oh. Done na. So yun na. Uwi na rin kami. Pagod na. So, gusto lang nila bumili ng mga souvenir. Pero after nito, balik na kami sa hotel. Mali pala, hindi kami sa hotel pupunta, sa Avenue of Stars. Nandito kami sa city ngayon. Anong tawag dito, mami? K11 Tower. Yan. Nasa city na kami. Pag-alagala.
Mommy, let's rest muna here.
No?
I want to be released. Ano tayo mag-rest? Saan mo may naman?
Doon na tayo mag-rest, Claire. Let's go. Caleb.
1, 2, 3, go! Hello!
Yan na.
Starbucks.
Yan na yata yun.
Go get Starbucks, I'll eat this. Yung double-decker bus? Bus ano? No, finally. Oh. Dito na kami sa ano. Yung, ano tawag sa ganito, mami? Bay Area. Yung Bay Area ng Hong Kong, Avenue of Stars. Oh my God. So yummy.
Picture na naman sa akin. Patay na patay talaga sa akin yan. Happy?
Try ko lang magtatong dito.
Sige.
I'm here, huh?
Lamig, ang lamig na. Gabi na.
Right now. You wanna sit?
Yeah.
No! Wait, I should go first since you have cup.
So, syempre, titikman natin yung mga street food dito. Dito pa rin tayo sa Avenue of Stars. So, yung kala namin, yung sa sahig pala yun. Hindi pala. Mga kamay yun dito. Yan, pakita ko Hindi ko alam kung ito yun pero feeling ko ito na yun Yan.
So yun yung Avenue of Stars. Ayan o. Oh. So ganun siya. Kala ko yung sa sahig ko. Oh yeah, that's like Gatorade.
Yeah.
Sabi mo pag gusto mo.
Wow.
I'll take one.
Mm-hmm. Yummy? You like it? Testing natin.
Wanna taste the bread?
Ayun, later.
There. There's a rabbit.
Ang sarap ng siomay nila.
You ate tuna? I only
Tastes
wait.
different.
Yeah, it tastes different from the shawmai.
No, ano?
It's a different flavor. Oh, you get another. Mommy says she wants it. The what? Prime? No, no. Boba?
So I have the strawberry watermelon. You?
Rice of this.
Yours is?
Give me some.
Fishball.
Can I have a bite?
Satay fishball.
Can I have a bite?
Ha?
Why does it taste weird? I can't taste anything because I have sipon.
Let's show that one.
Still hot.
Ooh.
Still hot pa. Try the prime.
Yeah, I tried it all.
Try mine. Try mine. So yummy.
It's the same thing.
No, yours is like cherry. Ano?
Lamigin yung mo eh. Hintayin namin yung Symphony of Lights. 8 PM daw yun. So, kaya andito kami. So, parang, ewan ko basta. Papakita ko na lang. So, dito na kami sa hotel. Sobrang pagod din ako nakapag-video sa daan. So, from Avenue of Stars, since sobrang pagod na namin kanina, nag-taxi na kami from Avenue of Stars diretso sa Citygate Outlet. Abot kami ng $260. Okay na rin kasi pagod na kami, wala na kaming oras maglakad-lakad. Ocean Park pa lang, pagod na kami kagabi. Pero sulit-sulit naman yung buong araw. Sanood nyo yung buong day 4 natin. So bukas day 5, wala na kami activity kasi kinancel namin yung 360 cable car. Dahil pagod na. Hindi pala kaya yung araw-araw na sobrang daming lakarin. So bukas relax-relax na lang kami. Check out kami ng 12 o'clock. And alis na kami ng mga 3:30 or before 4 kasi flight namin 7 PM. So yun lang para sa ating Hong Kong vlog. Thank you. Sana pinanood nyo hanggang day 4. Bye-bye!